If your closet is full, but you still feel like you have nothing to wear, this video is for you. I'm a teacher. I get dressed early, so decision fatigue is real. So this spring, I'm doing a full closet reset to make my mornings and life easier. By the end of this video, I'll show you the exact system I use and how this sets up my spring capsule wardrobe and summer wardrobe for the next few months. All right, y'all, this closet declutter, reset, reorganization is for life, period. But we're going into spring, summer. So I'm getting ready for those months, transitioning my wardrobe to warmer weather. I'm doing this because I want to, one, clean my closet. I want to declutter my closet and my wardrobe. And I want to focus my wardrobe for that particular season. And coming up next month in this series, I'm going to be doing a little shopping to add pieces that I may need because stuff doesn't fit, or I just have gaps in my wardrobe to go into my spring, summer capsule wardrobe. So be on the lookout for that next video. First things first, I am going to organize. And as I organize, I'm going to pull things out, okay? So I like my closet to be organized by color and then by style. That just works for me. I like to get the color in mind. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to pull out things and ask myself a few questions. Does it fit right now? Have I worn it in the last year? Would I buy this again today? And to go with, if it fits right now, am I going to get it tailored? Am I going to eventually fit into it? Because I am on my fitness journey. So there are some things that fit-ish, but I'm losing some weight in inches. So I don't want to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff. And also I'm keeping in mind some pieces that I want to save for my daughters, because in my mind, I want them to be able to have some of mom's vintage pieces when they get older, and I have to thrift everything and be like, this is what my mom wore in the 2000s. All right, let's get into it. This closet is so out of order. So this side is for long pieces, and this is for tops, and this is for bottoms. Let me go get this clothing. I went to grab this clothing rack that I got last summer to help with a yard sale that we had, but I'm gonna use this to help me with my closet as I'm reorganizing, so I can just pull things out and then I can put them back where they need to go, or they can go up here if I need to make decisions. And I do have some things that are in the laundry, but clearly I'm wearing those things, so I don't have to worry about getting rid of those. My goal right now is to organize and to make sure that things are in the proper place, so that way I can put away my laundry. And I feel like putting away my laundry has been so daunting because my closet isn't organized. But once I get it to where I need it to be, then I'll be good. All right, starting off, oops, with my white and cream pieces. I switch it up every now and again with my neutrals being in the back or the front, but clearly they're going to be in the front this time. I haven't done this in years, since I was a teenager, but I'm going to put away winter stuff or heavier things just to have more room in my closet. Oh my God, I haven't worn this yet. Okay, all these items I'm keeping so far. Okay, I think this is gonna be the first thing that goes. These Savage X Fenty onesie things had a moment, but I don't wear them that much. This is a seasonal piece. I'm a teacher, so I keep an ugly sweater. All right, another Savage onesie. This I have not worn, but I'm gonna give it another chance because it's a one-of-a-kind piece. And it's not terrible. And maybe Harper can wear it when she gets older, or Ellery. And things on the floor, they get out. All right, removing all empty hangers. Y'all, this looks so much better. And it's more space. But let me take y'all in for a closer look. This looks better in my opinion. And look at all that space. I have room to add my clothes. But now I know where stuff goes, so I can add it in more efficiently. And I can spread it out later. So these are the things that I took out that weren't in the right place. All right, so I'm gonna take the clothes off of here. that go in the long section and put them where they need to go. And then I can move on to the next section. All right, this is my side right here. This is tops, sweaters, vests, hoodies, all that stuff. I do like to organize this section by the kind, but things, what I'm going to do is things that I'm not going to wear in the spring or summer, I'm going to take out. Like this is seasonal, and this is more seasonal, it's heavy. This heavy sweater, I cannot transition this into spring. I will keep some sweatshirts and the like out just because I will wear them sometimes in the summer. I'm not making my piles yet. I'm really organizing to make sure I'm keeping and getting rid of the right things. I'm trying to see these, how thick they are. They might be able to transition into spring, so I'm gonna keep these out. All right, I organize this by color as well. So I like to do my button-ups and tops first. Oh my God, all these sweatshirts are making me sweat. And then I'll do my sweater type stuff, but all color coordinated. See, I have some good spring summer pieces. And some of these things I'm not gonna get rid of because they're like one of a kind. Well, not one of a kind, but they'll never be made again. That's for my wardrobe archive. Hold on, yeah, this is a good transition piece. I think this is a good transition. This is a light sweater, and this would also be good for my capsule wardrobe. See, I got stuff tucked back here. I wear my wardrobe year round, so it really has to be winter. This blazer, summer, fall, winter, and spring. This I haven't worn in a while, but I feel like this could be a good spring summer piece, but I haven't worn it because of the weather, so I'm gonna hold on to her. This shirt my mom got me and I have never worn it. She bought me another one and I did wear, so that is going to go into the donate or sell pile. This I have not worn. All right, we have this burgundy top. Y'all, this top is probably, I've had this since I first started teaching. So about 10 years old, 11 years old. And then I have this burgundy suit. Right, this is my pants and bottom section. It's tucked into the corner here, so you can't really see it that well. So these pants I like. They're a little bit tight right now because I have gained a few inches, but I'm losing them. So she stays. Need a good pair of high waist pants. These are staying forever. Design Blake staying. I have these special pant hangers I got from Amazon. I liked them at first, but I'm starting to not like them. These pants got from Shein. These are amazing. Amazing. This is definitely a winter pant, but since I don't have a lot, I'm gonna keep all my pants down here. Yeah, I'm color coordinating the trousers and then the denim. The denim will go up front. There's a few things on the rack that need to be put away. And, Jesus, what was I gonna say? Yeah, and the stuff that I'm going to winter away. I have some little storage things that go underneath my bed, so I'm gonna put that there. And then stuff that I just don't want in my closet, like work stuff, that can just go underneath my bed because it's like a work hoodie or whatever. And I can just pull that out and grab. So let me get this stuff off the rack and this stuff out the closet, and I'm gonna show you all my under the bed storage. I'm really not getting rid of a lot, I see. It was just unorganized. That's probably why I thought I need to get rid of it. Okay, don't judge me. I need to go get a broom real quick, and then we can continue on. I am at a good point in my closet. I can see things. I can see things. Okay. This bag is probably going to be gotten rid of because I don't really use it as much as I thought I would. Keeping this is my vacation bag. It fits so much in here. It's ridiculous. I've used this many, many times. My gold clutch comes in handy. I'm really a gold girl. I will wear silver. Other bags. This bag I'm holding on to because it is my mom's. But speaking of bags, let me show y'all. I started working on my spring wardrobe a little bit and just purchasing things that I really used to be into and that make me happy, and staying in that and doing things that make me happy. I went on Facebook Market and I found a couple bags. I got this Coach bag. I spring got these off of Facebook Market as well. This belt, I love this belt. I got this in a set off of Shein, but the black one broke. Oh, but I love this buckle detail and the slimness of it. I need a black one to replace. I'm just gonna sit those right here for now. And then I do have this slim space right here. I think I might put a hook or something to hang the belts. Time to come out the closet for now. All right, these are some clothes that I need to winter away, is what I'm calling it. And I have these for underbed storage. I would like to get some harder ones. I'm gonna pull my shorts out. And then now that I'm working out again, I need access to workout stuff. Okay, in here, I'm just gonna put t-shirts. Most of them are work shirts or teacher shirts or shirts that I wear for church. And some of these I may wear for summer. I think we'll keep this one out for summer. I like that. I will say these storage containers lack in structure, they provide for in how roomy they are. They have a lot of room. I have this sweatshirt. I do not wear it often and have not. Let me get rid of it. See, doing this is allowing me to go through and edit, which I love. Sweater dress thing. I do like to wear it, but I feel like it's just a little bit too short. I didn't get a chance to wear it this winter because of the weather. Oh no, it's good. I'm gonna hold on to it, but I'm gonna hang these two items in my closet. Put it in here, I have access to it, but I don't need it out all the time. Switching gears a little bit, there are some things around the room that need to be hung up, like these pants, which I'm keeping. I'm going to like look around the room, see if there's anything I need to pick up, and some things that just got left out of the closet. And this dress I wore in a friend's wedding 5 years ago, which it still fits. It's a little bit tight. And I feel like you have to do this when you're cleaning out your closet. You have to try on stuff to make sure that what you're keeping actually fits. And this is with clothes on. Yeah, so we can keep her. She stays. I'm still cleaning and organizing my closet. Well, it turned into my room. There really wasn't too much more that I've gotten rid of, and what I did get rid of go to donation. So I got mostly everything put away, even have my drawers organized. But from this, I realized that I just want to focus my closet. So there are a couple pieces that I want to go looking for, but I want to do it in an affordable and sustainable way. So that's why I'm deciding to thrift most of the things, but I don't need a lot, just a few Gap. I'll talk about that in the next video where I'm going shopping. For me, decluttering isn't about having less, it's about having what works. A lot of times we feel like we have nothing to wear because our closet isn't intentional. And I'm not saying everybody needs a capsule wardrobe. We need to minimalize and only have certain things to wear. No, that is not it at all. It's being intentional about the things that you have, things that you actually like to wear, things that fit, and things that you will enjoy. And for me, I'm also thinking about keeping pieces to pass down to my children. So after this closet declutter and resetting, I can actually go in and look and see what I have. And there are just a few things that I would need to pick up. I found this capsule wardrobe on Pinterest that really spoke to me. I can put it up on the screen. Most of these things I already have. I don't have a satin blouse, but I don't know if that's something I would wear, so I might not get it. I have slingback pumps, probably wouldn't wear those. So just a few things that I would actually pick up that'll be necessary. So we're gonna go thrifting and shopping to pick up those things. I'm excited. Thank you all so much for watching my closet declutter and reorganization. For me, I didn't get rid of a lot, but it was a lot about reorganization. If you enjoy this content, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can be on the lookout for the next video in this series where I show you my spring capsule wardrobe haul. So I did a lot of online shopping. So you guys won't be able to go shopping with me, but I'm going to show you the pieces that I got. And then the last video in this series will be the try on and me putting a few outfits together to show you how I shop my closet after I fill in those gaps. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.